Hello and welcome to all. Uh, this is a video tutorial for class 5 exercise 4C. So in this video we are going to discuss exercise 4C and the topic is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. So now let us start the video. I would like to first start with question number 1. Question is 1 upon 5 into 4 upon 1 upon 4. So beta, if you want to multiply these fractions, so the simplest method is just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 into 1 and 5 into 4. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1 and 5 into 4 is 20. So 1 upon 20, this is the answer. In the same way, question 2 part A says 7 upon 4 multiply 12 upon 21. So if any number we can reduce diagonally, means in cross we can reduce any number. For example, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, okay, and 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So here we have got 1 upon 1, sorry, 1 upon 1, and here 3 upon 3. So 3 upon 3 is when we will multiply the 1 upon 1 into 3 upon 1 into 3 means 3 upon 3, and when we have same number in numerator and denominator, they also cancel each other and the answer is 1. Okay, question number 3 part A says 1 upon 4 multiply 4. So beta, when there is no number in the denominator, then we can take 1 in the denominator. So it is actually 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 1. 4 cancels each other. So 1 here and 1 also here. So 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 1 is 1 answer. Okay. Question 4 part A, 2 whole 1 upon 2 multiply 4. So first we have to change this mixed fraction into improper. This is a mixed fraction. So I have told you earlier how to change mixed fraction into improper. 2 twos are 4. Multiply these two numbers. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 5 upon 2 into 4. There is no number in the denominator, so we will take 1. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So this is 5 upon 1 into 2 upon 1. Actually this is 5 into 2, because if there is 1 in denominator it is not written. Okay, so 5 twos are 10. This is the answer. Question 5, 57 upon 75 into 7 whole 1 upon 2 multiply 12 whole 1 upon 2. So there are 3 fractions and 2 of them are mixed. So first write 57 upon 75 into, change this mixed fraction into improper. 7 twos are 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 upon 2 into 12 into 2 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 upon 2. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to check if we can reduce any number in cross. So yes, we can reduce 75 and 15. So 5 ones are 5, 2 carry. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So 15 here and 5 3s are 15. Now again 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So finally we have got 57 upon 1, because 1 in the denominator is left, and 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 2. Now we cannot reduce any number, so we just multiply 57 into 1 into 5, 57 into 1 into 5, and 1 into 2 into 2. So your answer is 57 into 5 is what? Okay, 285 upon 2 twos are 4. This is the answer. So this was question number 1. Question number, sorry, 5. Now let us do question 6. Question 6 says, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. And part A says 2 whole 1 upon 2 of 3 whole 1 upon 5. Okay, so first you have to change these two mixed fraction into improper. The 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 upon 2, and 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. Of means multiply. Okay, so 5, 5 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Finally, you have got 1 here, 1 here. 1 upon 1 into 8 upon 1, which means 8. This is the answer, because 8 ones are 8 and 1 in denominator is not written. So in the same way you are going to do these questions. Okay, question 7. Question 7, simplify. Part A, 1 whole 1 upon 2 square. It is called square. This small 2 is called square. So 1 whole 1 upon 2 square. So first change 1 whole 1 upon 2 into mixed improper. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 square. So square means if there is a square, then we have to multiply this number by itself only. Okay, so we will write 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. Is it clear? Suppose if somewhere is written 2 square, so it means 2 into 2. 4 square mean 4 into 4. In the same way, 3 upon 2 square means 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. So this is actually 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2. The answer is 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. 9 upon 4, this is the answer. Fine. Question C of the same question. 3 upon 4 square multiply 1 whole 7 upon 9. So you will write 3 upon 4 2 times. Okay, 3 upon, sorry, this is 4. 3 upon 4 multiply by 3 upon 4 into 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 upon 9. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 16. Sorry, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Not twos are, okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. And 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. And 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So finally, you are left with, okay, and this 3 or this 3 cancel each other. So finally, you have got 1. Okay, because everything is reduced. So this is your answer, 1. Question 8. 3 upon 8 of 7 upon 8 of 10 whole 2 upon 3. So wherever the of is written, just use multiply. Of means multiply. Okay, so write 3 upon 8 into 7 upon 8 into, and change this into improper. 3 into 10 is 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 upon 3. Okay, this 3 cancel. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So finally you have got 7 upon 2, because this is reduced, so we will not write this. 7 upon 2 into 1 up, and this is also reduced. So do not write anything except 7 upon 2. This is your answer. Okay, so I hope that this video is gonna help you. So do these question 1 to 8 in your answer sheet. I have already given question 1 to 5 in the previous worksheet, but I want you to repeat question 1 to 5 again and do question 1 to 8 this time and send your answer to your class teacher. Okay? Thank you.